Hello YouTube, this is Luigi, aka LogicalWonderz with LWG LogicalWonderz Games, WaGunLyfe Adventurez YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing. Where did it go? Just had it too. Oh, here it is. Going to be unboxing the BENFEI. I believe this is HDMI to VGA 2-pack cables. It's so you could connect your laptop, your Xbox or Roku or more to older VGA monitor like that one over there. I hope it still works. It's not about for a reason. Indeed. Testing this adapter out. So you can use an older VGA display as a projector. It's supposed to convert HDMI to VGA. That box is still up. I guess I just keep it around my rig anyway. So it brings two of them. Goes from HDMI to VGA. You connect your screen on this side or your projector and plug this side into your Roku, your Xbox, your console, or your laptop. That way you could display it on a projector that has a VGA input. I'll plug it into the HDMI on my laptop. I'll plug in the blue VGA cord from this old monitor here. There you can have an extra screen. You can use it for your chat window, for YouTube or Twitch, what have you. Or for extra screen, for whatever reason you want to use it for. There you go. Now I just gotta wait to show on the VGA screen. I know this used to work because I used to use it with my work laptop back in the day. Let's see. Power. This not also happens to have this display port. Ooh. Source. I need to switch to input. This is an old gateway monitor. I know it used to work. If not, I just have to find another. Unless the lightning storm something messed this up. So this old monitor has display DVI and VGA. It was working. Yes. Oh, there it is. Let's turn it on. Now it's on, officially on. Power saving mode. I want DVI. There we go. And now we have two screens. It's mirroring at the moment, but you could go right click in your Windows desktop and you could extend your monitor. Let me minimize this stuff. I don't know if it's showing. There it goes. Now it's working. Now I have two screens. Now let me try to extend. Right click on the desktop. Come on. Display settings. It's been a while since I messed with this stuff. Multiple displays. So you could duplicate these displays, which is what mirroring is, or you could extend these displays. And now should have two screens. This is monitor. Keep changes. Identify which is monitor 1, monitor 2. This is monitor 1. That should have been say monitor. Identify. Okay, being funny. Anyway. You gotta slide this window over. There you go. Now we have an extended window. An example. While I'm streaming, I could have YouTube on this one. And then you put Twitch on another window. I'm gonna pull the tab out. Now my Twitch is showing there. Drag it over. Pull it out of the main browser. There you go. I have to adjust the resolution, but let me go back to do that. Let's try to get the whole screen to show properly. Get my mouse back on this monitor. Oh yeah, I have to go back. Make it smaller again. I'm gonna need this. Back over here. Let me adjust the resolution. Because it's not showing properly. HDR, no, scale 100%. It's on 1080 right now. Let me put it on 800 by 6. This is an old monitor. Let's see how that looks like. No, that's not doing what I needed to do. Revert back. I'm trying to get it to you. I'll probably go out to stream. Let me watch somebody that is live. So it could be better show the chat box. Anybody live? Nobody's live. Mama T is live. Let's see what she's doing. There it is. So it shows the chat right there. Shows the streamer's picture right there. Mama T is playing Counter-Strike. I'll say hi real quick. She's a great supporter. She's made it big now on Twitch. Show her some love. Stopping by to say hey. Real quick. Some quick love. Can you spell? Some quick love, mama. Okay, never mind that. Forget the on-screen celebration, but there you go. That's basically what I just want to show you. And it brings two of these. So I plugged it into my HDMI out for my laptop, plugging the VGA out from the monitor and whatever way you want to look at it to the VGA blue cord. Usually it's blue. And it brings two of them, so 2-pack. So this is the BENFEI is the brand. And I'll put the link for it in the description in the comment box. I try to look for the part number for you guys. I believe that's the part number. The B08CR32Z1F. But I'll put the links in the description. It's a 2-pack of HDMI to VGA. There you go. HDMI to VGA, so you can connect your laptop, your console, anything that has HDMI out, connected to an old VGA monitor type, or even a new monitor that still has a VGA connection, or a projector with VGA type connection. Yes, you could connect to a TV monitor or projector, and it brings two adapters, a 2-pack. And I'll put the link in the description and the comments. Thank you for your love and support. Appreciate you. Please hit the like, comment, subscribe, and share buttons. Hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, go live, or share any community posts. And I'll be doing more unboxings and more tech reviews and how-tos, DIY videos, as well as travel, van life, metal detecting, treasure hunting, historical visits to different cities and towns, different types of parks, monuments. Try and get some better lighting. And that's it for now. This is Wonder Luigi, aka LogicalWonderz with 1Z on YouTube. LogicalWonderz with 3 Z's on Twitch and Facebook. LogicalWonderz with 1Z on TikTok, Pinterest, Kick, Call of Duty, Xbox. LogicalWonderz with 3 Z's on PlayStation Network, Twitch TV, and Facebook, like I mentioned earlier. I appreciate you making it this far in my video. Please give it a thumbs up. Wish you a wonderful, safe, happy, blessed, prosperous day and week and holiday seasons. And happy 2025 and happy 2026. Peace and one love. LogicalWonderz out.